In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely caramelized apple. Here, I have half an apple, and I'm going to show you what you can do with it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it about that thick. And if you need more, you can get some more apples. I'll just set this aside. So just use the type of apple you wish to use. So you cut it that thick. So that should be all right. So what I'm going to do with this now, I'm going to go over the other side and show you how I'm cooking it. I'm going to put a bit of olive oil in the pan. Bit of honey. I'm going to go in with a bit of butter. So you know, with apple, without a bit of cinnamon, don't even start cooking your apple. So I'm going to show you how to make this delicious apple. Very nice, very tasty. I'm going to go ahead, a bit more honey. Fill the pan aside. Just get some over on the top. Go ahead, sprinkle a little bit more cinnamon. So we're going to give it a turn. I'm going to increase the flame a little bit. As you can see, the color coming on. So go ahead, give it another base. Let's keep basting it. So now this is ready. What you can do is turn the gas off. Because it's caramelized and you don't want it stuck on your finger, just loosen it up a bit. I'm going to add a little bit of water. And that will create a lovely syrup. So I get my spatula. Trying to do it like so. Just take your time. I'm not finished yet. What I'm gonna do, I have some walnut. Just go ahead, sprinkle some walnut over it. And there you have your lovely dessert. You can have this for breakfast or lunch or after. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.